In this video, we will be demonstrating how to wire a Munro LP 3/4 horsepower, 1 horsepower, and 1.5 horsepower pump. Step 1. Review the motor data on the nameplate. As you can see, this single-phase motor runs on 115 volts or 208 to 230 volts. The wiring diagram is located on the right side of the nameplate. This diagram will show you where each wire connects and how to wire the higher voltage, 208 to 230 volts, or the lower voltage, 115 volts. Remove the motor cover and locate the corresponding connections as listed on the diagram. Step 2. Prep the motor. Install a Romex connector. This connector will hold the wire in place. Pass the wire through the Romex from the outside. Step 3. Wire the motor connections. As referenced on the wiring diagram, you should have 2 lines and a ground wire coming from the breaker box. Connect the grounding wire to the green ground screw. Connect L1 and L2 with the 2 power supply wires. Notice there are 2 connection options for L1 and L2. You can lay the wire underneath the screw, or you can use a quick disconnect and use the spade connection. After you connect line 1 and line 2, adjust the wire length of the supply cord, then tighten the Romex connector to hold the cord in place. Next, set the motor voltage. The motor comes preset to run at 208 to 230 volts. If you are using 115 volts, slide the voltage indicator to 115 volts. Step 4. Replace the motor cover. Once finished, put your motor cover back on and your pump is now wired and ready for use. If you need help walking through the wiring process, contact Munro Technical Support. Our team is here to help.